In this video, I demonstrated how to create an employee list. First, navigate to the employee list section and click on Add Employee. Then, enter the employee details such as gender, joining date, employee name, and date of birth. After that, select the company and click Save. Next, upload the employee's photo by selecting the image and clicking Save and Submit. Once completed, the employee will be successfully added. This concludes the video.